It's me, Puppy! Welcome back to Spartan Kids! Today we will draw a caterpillar. So let's draw a caterpillar and make it the best! Take out your drawing book and colors and let's make something creative because it's coloring time! How to draw a caterpillar. Step 1. Draw a circle. This will be the head of the caterpillar. Step 2. Draw an antenna and a smile on the face. Step 3. Draw a half-circle shape in the opposite side of the face. Step 4. Continue to draw the half circles or the letter C's for the body. Draw as many as you like. The more you draw, the longer the caterpillar's body will be. Step 5. Draw the legs. You will need a pair for each circle. One line for the leg needs to be shorter than the other. This would be the leg in the back. Step 6. Draw ellipses or make dots at the end of the legs to make adorable little feet. Also draw a small half circle on the top of the last circle for the body. Step 7. Now color the caterpillar. Caterpillars are usually green, but you can make them really colorful. Oh, wow! That was really easy! Our caterpillar is ready! Thank you for watching our Spartan Kids videos. Catch you later with something even better!